A is for apple, apple. Apple. B is for ballon, ballon. Balloon. C is for cat, cat. Cat. D is for duck, duck. Gag. E is for elephant, elephant. Elephant. F is for fish, fish. Fish. G is for giraffe, giraffe. Giraffe. H is for horse, horse. Horse. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for jam, jam. Jam. K is for kites, kites. Kites. L is for lion, lion. Leo. M is for moon, moon. Moon. N is for nose, nose. Noose. O is for orange, orange. Orange. P is for pig, pig. Pig. Q is for queen, queen. Queen. R is for rose, rose. Rose. S is for star, star. Star. T is for tiger, tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. Umbrella. V is for violet, violet. Fire. W is for well, well. Well. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yo, yo. Yo. Z is for zebra, zebra. Zebra. Next time, won't you sing with us?
Now we got some yummy foods. Follow along, so fun. Apple, red and sweet. Crunchy snack, what a treat. Banana, yellow and brown. Peel it up and take a bite. Colorful and fun, healthy for everyone. Let's all sing, nature's tasty offering. Orange, juicy delight. This punch, it feels so right. Grapes, purple or green. Fine fruit, so seen. Colorful and fun, healthy for everyone. Let's all sing, nature's tasty offering. Watermelon, juicy delight. Sip and munch, it feels so right. Grapes, purple or green. Tiny fruits, always seen. Colorful and fun, healthy for everyone. Let's all sing, nature's tasty offering. Watermelon, big and round. Red inside, seeds are found. Strawberry, red and small. Juicy fruit for all. Colorful and fun, healthy for everyone. Let's all sing, nature's tasty offering. Pineapple, prickly and sweet. Tropical taste that can't be beat. Mango, orange delight. Smooth and sweet, just right. I'm on food. I'll go and run. Healthy for everyone. Adulting, nature tasty offerings. So many foods, so much to explore. Them all, you'll want more. Thanks for singing. Thanks for the fun. Healthy fruits for everyone.
Numbers, counting with numbers. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10, 10, 10. Let's count. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas, 4 bananas, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bananas, 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 bananas. Numbers, numbers, what are they, can you see? Numbers, hey, numbers, hey, numbers, what are they, can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Counting with numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Counting with numbers.
This is red, the color red, 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 red. This is red, the color red, 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 red. Do you know what color is this? This is red. This is blue, the color blue, blue, blue. This is blue, the color blue, 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 blue. Do you know what color is this? This is blue. This is yellow, the color yellow, 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 yellow. This is yellow, the color yellow, 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 yellow. Do you know what color is this? This is yellow. This is green, the color green, green, green. This is green, the color green, 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 green. Do you know what color is this? This is green. This is black, the color black, 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 black. This is black, the color black, 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 black. Do you know what color is this? This is pink, the color pink, 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 pink. This is pink, the color pink, 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 pink. Do you know what color is this? This is pink. This is white, the color white, 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 white. This is white, the color white, 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 white. Do you know what color is this? This is white. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Today we learned days of week. Do you know how many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 7 days. Sunday's holiday, fun and games. Monday's the start, fresh and bright. Tuesday comes with a happy cheer. Wednesday's here, right in between. Thursday rolls in, close to the end. Friday's here, we're almost done. Saturday sunny, play all day. 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days in a week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Brush your teeth every night and day. Keep those germs and plaque away. Brush, brush, brush with a little squeeze. Shiny smiles, everyone's pleased. Wash your hands before you eat. With water and soap, make them neat. Scrub, 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 the germs go pop. Clean hands, don't let them stop. Eat your veggies green and bright. They make you strong with every bite. Crunch, 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 it's super fun. Carrots and peas for everyone. Say your please and say your thank you. Polite words make the world smile too. Please, 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 we love to hear. Thank you loud and clear. Pick up toys when you're done with play. Tidy up, it's the best way. Clean, 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 it's not too tough. I need rooms where there's space for stuff. Kids, today we learn water animals. Octopuses, 8 arms waving all around. Swimming through the sea where treasures are found. Octopus, octopus. Jellyfish float by with a gentle glow. Their see-through bodies put on a light show. Jellyfish, jellyfish. Crabs scuttle sideways with claws big and wide. Burying in the sand, it loves to hide. Crownfish swims. Crownfish swims in an anemone's home. Orange and white in the sea they roam. Clownfish, clownfish. Stingray glides smoothly, flat and so grand, floating like a kite above the ocean sand. Stingray, stingray.
3, come count with me. 4 and 5 and 6 you see. 7, 8 and 9 and 10. Let's count them all once again. 1 is fun, 2 is neat. 3 is jumping on 2 feet. 4 is cool, 5 alive. 6 is high and 7 will jive. 8 is great, 9 is fine. 10 is perfect, all in line. Let's count again from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, count with me. 4 and 5 and 6 you see. 7, 8 and 9 and 10. Let's count them all once again. 1, 2, 3, come count with me. 4 and 5 and 6 you see. 7, 8 and 9 and 10. Let's count them all once again. 1 is fun, 2 is neat. 3 is jumping on 2 feet. 4 is cool, 5 alive. 6 is high and 7 will jive. 8 is great, 9 is fine. 10 is perfect, all in line. Let's count again from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, count with me. 4 and 5 and 6 you see. 7, 8 and 9 and 10. Let's count them all once again.
Oh, do you know your colors? Can you say them with me? Here we go. Red, red. Blue, blue. Yellow, yellow. Green, green. Orange, orange. Pink, pink. Purple, Purple. Brown. Brown. Black. Black. White. White. And there's one more. What is it? Gray. Gray. Very good.